Hello everyone, hello everybody, happy new month, the month of June, our month of favor. Is your girl Sonia. Today I will be making baby food. Into the baby food, let me show you what I will be using today. Here are the things I will be using. I'll be using chickpeas for this recipe and soft chicken, and I will be using carrot. These are the things that I will be needing for the now. Let me go ahead and peel my carrots and cut them. Also cut my soft chicken and I put them in my pot. Okay guys, I will see you soon. Here I have everything chopped, washed and chopped already. I will just be transferring them inside my pot. Here's my chickpeas. I will add my chickpeas first. It's half done already. It's half done. You know how strong these beans can be. You need to soak it for like 12 hours. Cook it with another extra 12 hours, which is 24 hours. So I prefer using this half done. Then I'll be adding my carrots. I have a lot of carrots because I want the flavor of carrot to come out. I will also be adding my soft chicken. Please guys, if you know you have children, you have a child, I want you to give this a try. It's very healthy, it's good. You know, all my baby food I normally use carrot because carrot is good for the body, good for the children, even adults. I'm adding olive oil, just a little. I will not be adding salt. I will not be adding sugar or anything else. I will just add water. I will allow the water to be a little more. I will just stir it together. Stir, stir, stir. I'll just cover it up and put it in my gas. Okay guys, see you later. Let's see how it goes when everything is ready. Okay, here we have it. It's well done. I'm about to blend it. Time to blend. Here I have my blending machine. I'll just be adding it little by little. Now I'll be adding a little milk. I'm going to be blending it with milk. Look how natural it is. It's very good for babies, for kids. It's good for their health. It's also good for their growth. Please guys, give it a try. and share my video. Subscribe if it's your first time or seeing my video. Please subscribe and share with families and friends, and don't forget to thumbs up for me and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Okay guys, see you in my next video, and thank you very much, all my family, friends, all my subscribers, all my YouTube family. Thank you all. May God bless you. I appreciate it all. Okay, much kiss from me. Bye. See you soon.